We're in the jungle of the rainforest. Just kidding. We're actually in Canberra right now, and we're at the Botanical Gardens. Come along with me as we explore the different places. Christian, what do you see?
Hello? What?
I don't know what that is. What is it?
Don't know.
What?
Well, we've
You
just
don't
done
know.
the rainforest walk.
Let's go down here, alright?
Well, we're going to not do we're getting out of the rainforest, we're going up to the main path, so we'll be in the eucalyptus forest.
Let's go this way.
Right.
Let's go this way. Do you think we should go this way?
Sweetie, you know what? I think we should go up this way, because I think there's more things to see up here.
Go this way.
Darling, no, we're not going that way anymore. We're going to go up. Because we want to see more of the park. Okay?
But what about that French shopper?
Oh, yeah. Well, this will take us back there too.
We're gonna go to the eucalyptus park. And it's right up here, so we're gonna go walk up here and just do a little more exploring. So come along with me.
Christian, remember what we said? Be very careful because it's quite steep here, so you don't want to fall off anywhere, do it. Got a hand? Give me a hand. Alright, let's come over here.
Here, go in front of me. Go, 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 go.
That was quite cool.
Alright, just keep following me. We'll get over there in a minute.
John said he's just taking a picture of the front gate. He'll be on the other side of the front gate if he doesn't
Pretty
go
over
out
there.
his path.
Okay, so I'm really missing all my friends. I really wish you guys were here because it'd be so much more fun if you were with me, but I don't know, what are you gonna do? So, maybe one day we can all go to Australia and have a lot of fun together, so maybe one of these days. I think it would be a lot better if they came with me, but that's alright. Like Heather and Ashley, you guys would love this place because it's just like the rainforest.
Which one, love?
That one.